When the vacuum is turned on, the main brush roller spins, but the front brush roller does not. This is caused either by a broken belt or broken brush roller. Stay tuned for tips on avoiding repeat failure. Remove the garage door and the front brush roller. This brush roller is missing the gear teeth, which is why it will not spin. Replace the garage door and ensure that the front brush roller gear is spinning. If it isn't, the belt also needs to be replaced. Remove the garage door again. Install the new front brush roller. To prevent future broken brush rollers, avoid impacts to the brush roller from walls, cabinets, and heavy furniture. Also avoid tight spaces like underneath couches that will put pressure on the top of the floor nozzle. This may prevent the brush rollers from spinning freely and can burn up the motor, belts, and gears.